Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. So in this update, we are going to talk about Litecoin, and I'll be honest with you, I am kind of surprised with the amount of strength that we got in LTC relative to a whole lot of other altcoins, because in other alts, we are at the moment kind of seeing decent moves on the downside, but in Litecoin, the story is way different. Now, according to the bullish scenario, this is 5 wave up into a wave 1, and followed by that, I said we want to see kind of a slow and choppy move down into wave 2, but we didn't even get that, and from here we are having a move on the upside. Now, at this point, I need you to have your eyes on a potential ABC in form of a running flat, which looks like this. This is our initial move down into a correction for wave B, and in this phase, we might take this high and then another move into our C leg. And in it, we're not going to take the low of our wave A, and for our sub waves, you know it, ABC down into A, ABC, or maybe a WXY into B, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down into wave C. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is happening. And I think this is definitely a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, to about here into wave 3, correction for 4, another move up into wave 5, into, on a higher degree, a larger degree A leg, followed by that, this might be a correction for wave B, and we may see another move up into our C leg. So far, this is okay. Now, pay attention to this. If you see after this phase up in Litecoin, something like this, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, don't be surprised, because that might be on a higher degree, an A, B, C running flat, and then if we are bullish and the final low is on LTC, from here we can expect another big move on the upside. So what's the conclusion? In the short term, in Litecoin, we can get a move up, but after it, if we get a move down, we shouldn't really be calling this thing right in here a very strong bearish sign. We need to be a bit more patient and see after this impulse, are we going to have another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order to get out of this region ASAP or not? If we have something like this, that's actually going to be a great sign, suggesting that on a higher degree, this is indeed a wave 1 in form of a wedge correction for wave 2, and the next move is going to be a big one up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now, can we have another scenario? Absolutely. In Litecoin, we can also consider the possibility of having one more move down in order to take the lowest low down here about 83.5 cents, but even in that scenario, I don't really expect Litecoin to go a whole lot lower than this point. Why is it? Let's go on H4 time frame. Okay, so as you can see, at the moment, we are in a ranging pattern, and right now we are around the lower band of this region, and I do still kind of expect this area to hold, because when you go on weekly time frame, so and more, okay, what is going on? In stock RSI, we are around the oversold region, which suggests bears are kind of running out of power. And in MACD, fair enough, we did get a sell signal. It's definitely not a bullish sign, but since right now we are around the oversold in stock RSI, I'm gonna say maybe this signal in MACD is not gonna work, especially because in daily time frame, what do we have now? Confirmed buy signals in MACD and stock RSI at the same time. And also, we talked about this subject before, between the previous two lows, we are having a bullish divergence in H4 time frame. Let's go on H4. There we go. As you can see, this is a low, the other one is a higher low, but on the live chart, we are having a low and the other one is a lower low, which is once more a fantastic sign, suggesting bulls probably soon are going to take charge. So even if we get another move down in LTC, that's not really going to be a big problem for me. And for now, since we are actually showing some strength, let's not even talk about that bearish possibility. Let's see, are we going to have a continuation of this move on the upside or not? And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Litecoin. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.